That's a good shot. That's trademark Thomas.
Committing himself to the stroke, so crucial. When you're batting at the top of the innings, you can't second guess yourself.
More runs. Another boundary.
Presented the full face of the bat with firm wrists. And he found the gap. Two is the call, but it will be 4.
Yeah, that's what I've been saying. He hits him so hard. Even the boundary riders find it difficult. This occasion, he was too square.
At this level. Here's another chance. Here's another chance. Catch taken. Same fielder.
And that too, George Thomas. He could have hurt you had he played a little longer. This time, closer to his body. He's almost hugged that into his chest. And that's the way to do it.
And pumps it. Over, long off. Flies all the way for 6.
But he's got enough behind it to make it cross the line easily.
Edged. That's a wicket.
Just before this ball, we saw a run out almost happening, and this time, ball in the middle stump region zone, and he's trying to work it on the onside. He gets the outer part of the bat, just kisses that and goes to the keeper.
Just see him on the right. Edged past that slip. And he'll get a boundary. Down the ground. I think he's got enough of it. He has got enough of it. Plenty.
Keeps attacking the bowler, especially on the first ball of the over. In T20 cricket, it's so important. That 6 brings up the 50 for Mardan Warriors as well. He returned with the figures of 22 from his 3 overs. There might be a run-out chance. We'll have to see.
This will tell us. Yeah, I think he's struggling. You can tell now. Yeah, he's struggling. He's out. Gone. So, excellent start for the Raiders. I don't think he gets enough of this. No, he does. Another wicket.
A big moment in the game. Shahzeb Khan, the settled batter, uses his feet, comes down the ground, doesn't get the elevation or the distance, and a very good catch by Usman Khan. He has been really good in the field for Rawalpindi Raiders.
Playing across the line, in the air, gone.
Not quite sure he wanted to hit this ball in this direction, but just twisting in his hands. Effort going in vain. Just cramped himself. Yeah! And there is another swing. Wild swing on that occasion across the line.
What Ziaul has done well here is he's just held it back. Bit of air. He was through the shot before the ball got anywhere near him. Dawood.
And there is another one.
Gone through bat and pad. Oh, and it's actually brushed the bottom of the elbow. It was bouncing over the stumps. He won't mind. Side goes. Basit Ali with that wonderful 100 in the second. And Siobhan Daniels was, as we see, a beautiful boundary back past the bowler. 5.5 overs. And I was just talking about Siobhan Daniels, who took the team from a position of 21 for 4 to...
Gone for the big shot. Does it have the distance? Yes.
Well, he's enjoyed this. That is a good hit. Out the middle of the bat. Long on, back on the boundary.
ज़बरदस्त सक्सेस हासिल की पाकिस्तान टीम में. ऑलमोस्ट इसी एज में हिस्सा थे आप. पर T20 क्रिकेट बहुत ज़्यादा फेलियर लेके आता है. सक्सेस कम है, फेलियर ज़्यादा है.
Hits it straight down for a boundary.
About what Shade Afridi said, get to 120, 130, and with our bowling unit.
That's a good connection. For a moment I thought that's crashing into the stumps.
But he's not far off the bat hitting the stumps as well. Back-to-back boundaries.
Yeah, probably they can. Got a fingertip to it. So taking the pace off. Oh, second, come on, they're gone. Both of them deciding to take that second and then a boat.
So Archie Lennon gets it just over cover. You can see that they want two. They want two. He says yes and then says, I'm really sorry. Sorry. Yep, sorry, my fault.
That's a shot of a man who's faced his first ball. Straight away, he announces his arrival.
Try and have 3 or 4 balls of a bit of fun here, trying to get 3 boundaries. Gets it past mid-wicket and then runs away. Closing in on that 130.
To add 40, 50 runs by the tail enders. He looks good, makes room and smashes that through cover past mid-off.